We've switched the Magmate 150 over to side core .9, big 15 kilo roll. Got it wound up 153 amps, 24 volts, soft arc transfer, just to see what it does. We've got some very heavy plate. I'll run a practice on them, just on these couple pieces here, see what it looks like. Then we'll try a few different positions and see what it's like. Just a heads up to anyone with headphones or the sound cranked up. This thing has a fair bit of pop to it. God, that lays down some metal. As you can see, it's sitting on top way too proudly. Way too proud. See if we can get it to burn in a bit. Flipped it over and told her that it's got 1mm wire in it, and still wire speed too fast and too cold. I can't actually adjust that. Just keep trying, see if it changes. You hear it slow down? Seems to be slowing down by itself. Back it down to 120 amps and see what it does. Just drop the voltage right down to 15 volts. See what that does. terrible at low voltage. That little blob there with 150 amps at 15 volts. It's not burning the wire up. Steaming up my mask, I can't actually see. That is loud. That's like two-stroke chainsaw popping loud. You see at the start I couldn't see what I was doing. It's there and I tried a bit of an up and down weave there. It's pretty ugly. Out of there and I just went slow and like a little take back as I go along. Definitely not really, not hot enough in the corner for steel this thick. And that's turned up flat out. So what I might do is switch her around and run on a welding rod. Get 3.2 and I'll have a go at this side and just give you a comparison. Alright, so we've got the same bit of 1/2" plate. This time use 3.2mm 6012 rod. See how far across there we get. But, I'm not real happy with the solid wire MIG kind of results I'm getting. That's the MIG side. Don't know whether it's just me that's shit or the wire speed's too fast, it's running these too cold. Anyway, I'll give this a hit at 150 amps with the arc welder. See what kind of results we get. That's probably too much juice for the 3.2s, 150 amps is pretty high. Before we even give it a chip, you can see there's much better penetration. If you own one of these Magmate 150 machines and you see this video, leave me a comment. I want to have a chat to you. I want to see what kind of results you get with MIG. With gasless, I can lay that weld in the centre between them two is a gasless weld. I understand on top of a plate like this you're going to get prouder welds, but I don't know. We'll go back to MIG and I'm going to give that a few more hits. I might even lay it up a bit like I have, just adjusting the position because, because I can. And run the MIG a few times along there and see if I can get a better result. Even if I do a nice big weave over the top of this, take my time and see if I can get some heat out of it. Can't seem to get any heat and I get a lot more wire speed than I should, which I can't adjust. Right, I'll come back.